This ball joint removal and installation tool is designed to easily extract and refit the bolt-in type of front lower ball joint found on the late model Ford Transit. It's easy to use, just remove the lower arm and then the ball joint securing bolts. Assemble the tool according to the detailed instructions supplied, and always remember to grease the force screw. The support rods are screwed into the ball joint carrier. Then screw the ball joint adapter onto the ball joint taper thread. We are ready now to withdraw the ball joint. Hold the force screw steady as you turn the bearing nut to pull out the ball joint. It's as easy as that. And just as easy to install the new ball joint. Lubricate the insertion force screw and assemble the tool for bearing insertion as indicated in the instructions. Place the new ball joint in position and screw in the support rods again. With the insertion cup placed over the new ball joint, assemble the top plate and the insertion force screw. Steadily turn the force screw to press in the new joint. The Transit Ball Joint Removal and Installation Tool, available now from your Leisure Tools stockist.